Hello again, everyone. We're going to take a look at a chart here, OLLI's Bargain Outlet Holdings, OLLI, and I'm going to go over my analysis and some specific levels here that I really think that you should be paying attention to this coming up week for this stock, because we are seeing some red here in the after hours, and I've got some nice support levels here that I really think that you should be paying attention to. Another cool part about this video is it gives you an opportunity to kind of get to know us a little bit better, because in addition to video analysis like this, what you get when you sign up at stockmarketvideo.com is so much more in-depth. And let me be specific, including videos like this, you're also getting actual trade alerts, both buy and sell alerts, delivered directly to your cell phone, so you can trade from anywhere, at the office, at home, on the road. As long as you have an internet connection or a cell phone, you're going to be able to participate in these trades. And the cool part is you can actually do this for free. We're giving away the membership for free for 7 days. It's a free 7-day trial. You can cancel it at any time. You won't be billed at all in the future. It's not a complicated process. All you have to do is click cancel, and you're not going to be billed at all. And that's the kind of thing that separates us from other services, is we're not afraid to give away our membership for free. And that's the reason why we've been in the industry for over a decade now, and not many services can say that. And the reason why is because our clients are happy and making money in the market because of our service. And you can too when you sign up and join the membership at stockmarketvideo.com today. All right, so we're going to take a look at OLLI, and this is a major uptrend. I'm going to the weekly chart now, back to 2015. Just an amazing run we've had virtually since it opened here. So we bottomed back here. You can see the trend line started here. There's a couple touches here, touch here, here, there, here. So many touches against that trend line, and then it just extends here. And we're moving a little bit away from it. So honestly, wouldn't be that surprised to see it touch back down to earth for a little bit. And if it does, we've got a nice support level here at about $60. There's previous resistance right here for about 2 months, and then it became support, and that lines up perfectly with this trend line right here. So really pay attention to this trend line moving forward if we end up seeing a further move to the downside.